New at noon, a Cranston oral surgeon has been battling the state since the vaccine mandate for healthcare workers went into effect back on October 1st. Now, Dr. Stephen Scoley says he was left with no choice but to file a lawsuit. Erica Ritchie live in studio with who's named in this suit.
Well, Patrick, here's a suit right here, and in it, he's named Governor Dan McKee and interim health department director Dr. Jim McDonald, saying that they've acted unconstitutionally and irrationally by denying his medical exemption from the COVID vaccine mandate. In the suit here, he's only asking for two things.
I'm just asking to get back to work. In conjunction with it, I'm asking that they recognize acquired immunity and recognize the science going forward so that others in my position can get back to work as well.
Those requests in this lawsuit filed Friday by the New Civil Liberties Alliance. It's a nonprofit civil rights organization out of Washington, D.C. It's asking for a temporary restraining order that would allow Dr. Stephen Scoley and his 10-person staff to return to their Cranston office and resume seeing patients. Dr. Scoley was forced to shut down his oral surgery practice back in October when the COVID vaccine mandate for healthcare workers went into effect, and he declined the shot for medical reasons. The lawsuit notes Dr. Scoley's history of Bell's palsy paralysis and notes the, quote, scientifically demonstrated association between COVID-19 vaccination and the onset of Bell's palsy paralysis. But Dr. Scoley says the state denied his exemption request because Bell's palsy is not recognized by the CDC as a known side effect of the vaccines. He spent the last 4 months in a multitude of hearings, he says, with the state, but he says they've not gotten him back to work, so he was left no choice but to take it to federal court.
Not the way I like to roll. I've never sued anybody. The fact that now the governor, with the blessing or the oversight of the General Assembly, is considering extending the mandates, I really had no choice. I want to get back to work. I feel like I've abandoned my patients, my staff, and even my profession.
So we've reached out to the governor's office and to the health department about the lawsuit. Spokespersons for both offices, though, telling us they're not going to comment on pending litigation. Dr. Scoley's first federal court hearing this afternoon at 2 o'clock. He also, by the way, had a hearing this morning with the Department of Labor and Training about why he's being denied unemployment benefits. He says he was insulted by their response. Brittany Schaefer picking up the story from here. She'll have all of that starting this afternoon at 4 o'clock. For now, live in studio, Erica Ritchie, 12 News.